Hey everyone, so I received a verified Canva expert package and I just thought it would be so nice to unbox this with you so that we can all be a part of this experience, because me getting here is because of you. But before we get into it, there's one important question I received from my community I want to answer concerning the Canva verified expert. So get ready, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, this channel is all about Canva. Make sure to smash on the subscribe button to help us hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And just in case you're still on the free version of Canva, I have a special link in the description box below that should help you upgrade to Canva Pro for free. So yes, let's dive straight. In fact, let me just roll the intro. So after I posted the photo of the package on my community page, one of the questions I got was, how do you get to be a verified Canva expert? Were you invited? Here is the answer. Yes, I was invited to be a verified Canva expert, but what you need to understand is becoming a verified Canva expert requires two important things I feel you need to know. So the first thing you need to know is being a Canva verified expert requires that you are highly knowledgeable about Canva's complete range of products and features. And the second thing is you need to be part of the various Canva communities, and we have a wide range of them. And I'm sure by now you might have heard of the Canva design community, which is one of the most popular community from Canva. But aside that, the other ones are other communities you can join if you are eligible. Now moving on to the other part of the question, which asked, were you invited? The answer is yes, because to be part of the verified Canva expert community, you have to be invited by Canva, and it also means that they get to monitor those who are actually doing amazing things with Canva. Then they invite you to the community. So that's how I was invited, and how you can also be invited to the community. And to get the full details about what the Canva verified expert is all about, I'll leave a link in the description box to their website so you can read and learn more about the community. So now I think we are ready to unbox this, and I don't even know how to go about it, but let's start. I think there is something over here I have to unbox. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Oh, it looked like I just ripped the whole thing. Okay. All right. And it says ready to meet your design. You know, that's what it said over there. And my answer is yes, I'm ready to meet my design. So let's, oh, this is interesting. Okay. So I'm going to be removing the packages, one after the other. The first one is the cap. This is interesting. Wow. And this is made of leather. This part is made of leather. This is very, very interesting. You should be seeing me wearing this a lot of times. Okay. Yeah, that's the first thing. Then we have the Canva socks. Ooh, okay, this is it. That's nice. And also there's a card in here which has a letter. It says, hello there, we are absolutely thrilled to welcome you as a Canva verified expert. We can't thank you enough for championing Canva and look forward to taking on crazy big goals together. As a little something special, we've prepared this welcome kit for you. We look forward to seeing your reactions and unboxing videos. Please share them by tagging at Canva. And yes, I'm actually going to do that. Here is to empowering, what did I just say? Here is to empowering the world to design. Wow, this is amazing. And we have, okay, I don't know what this is. Okay, then we have this one as well, which is very interesting. Okay, to tag. Oh wow, and the t-shirts. Wow. So this is the front and this is the back. Okay, yeah, that's very nice. Okay, then we have some badges over here. Canva verified experts. Okay, so you can see it over here in Canva. Okay, then we have the pens, the Canva pens, and the Jota. Oh wow, this is thick. Wow, I like it. Hey, there's something interesting about this box. They've made the back like a certificate, which is certificate of appreciation presented to the invited name in here. Wow, this is very, 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 very nice, and I am actually glad. A big thank you to Canva for sending me this. I really, really appreciate you a lot. Thank you so much. And yes, I think in my upcoming videos you should see me wearing the t-shirts and me showing off my Canva swag. The name is Benjamin. Always remember, there is no limit to creativity, and I should see you in my next video.